Jambo. Welcome to Tayari.live's free and fun Swahili learning series. This is a simple and immersive way to learn Swahili. Let's get started. In today's journey we will learn about the family in Swahili. But first, let's have a story. The family.
Familia.
There is a family.
Kuna familia.
There is a father, a mother, a brother, and a baby.
Kuna baba, mama, kaka, na mtoto mchanga.
The family has a cat.
Familia ina paka.
Is the cat big?
Je, paka ni mkubwa?
No, the cat is not big.
Hapana, paka sio mkubwa.
The cat is small.
Paka ni mdogo.
The cat is black.
Paka ni mweusi.
The cat is small and black.
Paka ni mdogo na ni mweusi.
The family has a dog.
Familia ina mbwa.
The dog is red.
Mbwa ni nyekundu.
Is the dog small?
Je, mbwa ni mdogo?
No, it's not small. It's big.
Hapana, sio mdogo. Ni mkubwa.
Very big.
Mkubwa sana.
Let's learn about Robot's family. The robot family.
Familia ya roboti.
This is the father. Father is big.
Huyu ni baba. Baba ni mkubwa.
This is the mother. Mother is big.
Huyu ni mama. Mama ni mkubwa.
Hello father. Hello mother.
Habari baba. Habari mama.
This is the brother. Brother is medium.
Huyu ni kaka. Kaka ni wa kati.
This is the sister. Sister is medium.
Huyu ni dada. Dada ni wa kati.
Hello brother, hello sister.
Habari kaka, habari dada.
This is the dog. The dog is small.
Huyu ni mbwa. Mbwa ni mdogo.
Hello Robot's family.
Habari familia ya roboti.
Can you remember these words from the story? In Swahili, a father is called
Baba. Baba. Baba.
In Swahili, a mother is called
Mama. Mama. Mama.
In Swahili, a sister is called
Dada. Dada. Dada.
In Swahili, a brother is called
Kaka. Kaka. Kaka.
In Swahili, a cat is called
Paka. Paka. Paka.
Good job, superheroes. See you next time.